morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're joining us. This is one World Technologies, the Church Multimedia channel. Today, we're going to discuss on easy worship, what to do and what not to do. So, we're doing this in the past, so we're going to easy worship. So, let's take for instance, we have Pastor Teaching Message. So let's say we want to write it.
All the time food. Use that time to pray first. Pray.
God has given you the message of purity and holiness to your generation. And masturbation and pornography is making sure you will never preach it. You don't know, that's why. God has raised you as a sister.
So let's take for instance, as you're writing this, pastor call, let's say John 1:1, and you have to struggle to save, get back to be able to protest pastor. And if you notice, it had a little time lag. So instead of having to do this, my best suggestion would be press Windows R on your system and type Notepad, or open the Notepad of your system. Have your easy worship side by side with it. Okay, so take for instance, type in Pastor just call the Bible verse. Let's say Matthew 1. Notice my time response is different because I have this close to me here, and it's not necessarily affecting what I'm typing. So now, let's say you finish writing down all your sermons. Okay, let's say this is your content. So after writing them like this, now you could just Control A, copy. Now just create a new song. This message. Without any lag. And with little or no stress, you have your content here, you have your prayer points over here, right? Good. So drag in your shadow, or you can click on this button here to add them to shadow. And successfully switch on your scriptures without having issues and having to struggle to type. Without even giving your easy worship load, making you more effective for service. I hope these videos help. Please give us a like, subscribe, and share. If you have any questions, please feel free to use the comments. And I'll see you next time.
If you find this video useful, please like. If you have any question, please use the comment section. And please consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you.